welcome to my channel Dhyani Rani once again. First of all, let me wish you happy Rakhi to all of you. आप सबको राखी की शुभकामनाएं. And this is the look I'll be wearing today for my Rakhi look. This is the makeup I'll be wearing. And if you want to see how I've created the look, so please keep watching the video. Thank you.
Got a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine.
Okay, namaste. So let's start with the makeup video. As this is going to be a daytime video, so this is not going to be a very heavy look. This is going to be a day to go look. And so I've already cleansed my face, so I will start with my moisturizer, that is Cetaphil moisturizer. I'll take it on my hand. And I'll use it. Use it on your neck even and let it absorb properly before applying your next step. Cool. For the next step, we'll be using the corrector. It is from Elegant Pro Corrector. This corrector I'll not be using much, so I'll be just using it in my problem areas like my under eyes and some of my blemishes. And now with a concealer brush, I'll be blending them off. Now in the next step, I'll be using my Pond's BB cream. I'll be not using foundation as it's a day to go look. So I don't want a heavy makeup look this time. This is Rakhi time. So I'll be taking little of it and I'll be dotting it all over my face. And my favorite Pack Kabuki brush, I'll blending it off. I've already blended it properly, as you can see. Now for the next step, I'll be using the translucent powder from Blue Heaven. I'll just use it a little bit, not much, just to set my base. Setting your base is very important. This much is enough. Now I'll just blend it with the brush. We're almost done with the base. Now I'll be using using the same Savannah palette for contouring. I'll be using little contouring this time as it's a daytime. I cannot go without contouring. But this time this contouring will be light, not heavy like the glam look. Blend it properly. And as you guys can see, I need my nose contouring. Now for the blush time, this time I'll be using this light peachy pinky color from the Savannah palette, and I'll be using it. It's a daytime look, so I won't be going for a heavy look or a brighter color. So next the highlighter step. For the highlighter also I'll be using this Savannah palette as well. Here I have this wheatish eyeliner. I'll be using this one. This is a neutral eyeliner. It's a very light color. It won't give you that very glowy highlighting look, but it will give you a subtle look for the daytime. To show you the eyeshadow part properly, I have zoomed in the video, so I'll be using my Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette this time. So I'll be using this blending brush first, and I'll take the transition color. For the next transition, I'll be using this color and this color together. Now I'll be taking another brush, that is this eyeshadow brush, and I'll be taking this slightly reddish color and I'll be using on my lids. And for the final touch, first what I'll be doing, I'll use my makeup fixing spray. I'll spray it on my brush and from the same palette I'll be just using this glittery color a little bit and apply on my lid. Just like that. Now for inner corner of my eyes, I'll be using this golden color a little bit. Never forget to color your inner corner of your eyes while doing your eyeshadow. It brightens up your eyes always. And I'll be using this color for my lower lash line, waterline basically. So I'll be using this brush. I'll take this color . I hope you guys can see properly the eyeshadow as I've zoomed in the video. So for the next part is eyebrow part. So I've still kept the video in zoom. As you can see, I'll be brushing my eyebrows with the spoolie side first. Not much, with lighter hands. And here also I'm using the eyebrow pencil that is from Wet n Wild. It's my favorite, all-time favorite. And I'll be brushing it all over again just to blend it together. Now for the eyeliner part, I'll be using my Rimmel London eyeliner pencil. So I'll be just drawing the upper line. Now lower line this time. I'll try to draw it as close to my natural lines possible to give it a natural look. Same for my other eye also. And now the inner waterline of my eyes. Now I'll be using the eyeshadow palette from the Wet n Wild again, just to draw my, enhance my brow line, better to say. Again with this. And finally the mascara time, and it's my super favorite L'Oreal Superstar mascara. So it has two parts. The first part is the primer part. It gives your lashes the length. And now it has the second part, which gives the volume part. It gives volume to your lashes and you get the falsy eyelashes like look. Okay, so we are almost done. Now the lipstick part, the lipstick which I am using here is from L'Oreal Sabyasachi collection, and it's in the color Evening Circean. See, it's a beautiful reddish, lightly pinkish color, and I'm totally in love with this color, seriously. This color is actually perfect for daytime. And last but not the least, don't ever forget to use your makeup spray to set the makeup, because it's a whole day look and you'll be needing it. So I'll just hold it away from my face. And I'll allow it to dry. So hey guys, this is the final look that I'll be sporting for Rakhi today. I hope you guys like this look, so you can try it at home. This is a very easy look, and if you like this look, so please subscribe Dhyani Rani, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Happy Rakhi to all of you. शुभ राखी की शुभकामनाएं आप सबको. Thank you from Dhyani Rani. Love you all.
in the garden.